Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Sneaker Sundays.
No information from the street so far?
In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, we're talking about a shoe that was basically made to celebrate Carmelo Anthony's championship that he won at Syracuse when he was the most outstanding player. I think that's what they call it in college. I'm not too sure, but correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong, man. But he was definitely killing the whole NCAA tournament, and he took the Syracuse team along with Coach Jim Boeheim, who's a Hall of Fame coach, took that team to the national championship, and they won that game, man. Carmelo, I don't know his stat sheet, but he definitely was killing that game, man. He was doing this thing, man. With that being said, before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to our channel. Alright guys, here's the box. Let's see if we get that clarity. You know, typical Jordan box, man. For a special shoe like this, I think they should have gave them a different box, man. You know, typical Jordan. Y'all look at that. As you can see, has the Melo there, the orange with the gold. You know, definitely dope. You know, I like the color of the insole, but I don't care about that, man. Let's get into the shoe, man. And here it is, man. The Carmelo Anthony Retro 9 shoe, man, to celebrate the championship that they won at Syracuse, man. As you can see, it has the brown hair. This pretty much, you know, this right here lets you know, like, the floor that they're playing on, like the parquet floor that they're playing on or whatever. So that right there, the gold is for the championship. You know, it has like pretty premium leather up here. You guys can check that pretty premium leather. You have the gold on the eyelids here, man. This is dope. The brown, man, is dope. In the back has the gold Jordan with the number 15 there. And also has Air Jordan here. But check out the bottom though. Look how this is a clear sole, man, with the red hair, man. That's fire. That's fire, man. This shoe is super clean, man. Super clean. Has the little red Jordan hair. It's an overall clean shoe, man. If you disagree that this shoe is not clean, man, you have a problem, man. This shoe is a clean shoe, man. I think the brown is a little too dark, but I think it fits the whole overall look of the shoe. I think so, man. When you think of Jordan 9s, you think of Michael Jordan actually playing baseball. He's playing baseball in the Jordan 9s. I don't really think he can. If I remember correctly, I don't think he played basketball in the Retro 9s. To be honest with you, yeah, he definitely was playing baseball in these. I remember the cleats and everything that came out with these, man. But, man, what do you guys think, man? Do you think Jordan Brand is doing a great job with stuff like this, man? You know, to really celebrate players while they still able to smell their roses, man? Like, I think he's doing a great job, man. Carmelo is definitely on the downside of his career. So for him to, you know, to get a shoe that celebrates his national championship in college that he won when he had the braids with the headband and all that, you know, I think it's a good look, man. I think it's a good look, man. This is definitely a shoe, you know, that has a lot of meaning to it. And, you know, I've been critical about Jordan Brand, like when they came out with the home to homages. I wasn't feeling that whole concept because it doesn't really represent anything Chicago, man. But this shoe right here pretty much represents the court, you know, the floor and everything like that. You know, with the gold for the championship and everything. Instead of the typical 9 in the back, you have the 15. As you can see, I got the olive 9s right here, and on the back of those, you have the 23. So, you know, with the 15 there, you definitely know the shoe is made for Carmelo Anthony, man. But let me know what you guys think, man, in the comments below, man. If you think it was a clean shoe, if you think Jordan Brand was reaching with this, man, let me know, man. I think it's clean, man. I think it's a really, really clean shoe, man. Like, I really do. Clean shoe, man. But I know y'all looking for me to rate this shoe, so here it goes, man. The time everybody's been waiting for, man. These ratings, man, like, I do this from what I think the shoe is, man. With what I think about the shoe, how I feel about the shoe, man. Nothing biased, man. This how I feel about this shoe, man. I think this shoe, man, this is such a clean shoe, and I like it so much, man. I've got to give this shoe 4.5 pennies, man. The shoe is really clean, man. Really, really clean shoe. As you can see, it has the, like, man, what is there not to like about this shoe? Honestly, man, I like the shoestrings on here, typical Retro 9 shoestrings, man, which is dope. You know, it has the, it's a dope shoe, man. Yeah, man. Definitely, man. I think my rating was correct, man. If you disagree, leave leave it in the comments below. We can talk about it. I answer all comments, man. If you guys, you know, want to have a debate with me about anything, man, you can leave in the comment below. We can go back and forth. It's all fun and games. Just don't be disrespectful. I'm a very respectful person, man. So let's keep it respectful. We can talk about anything you guys want to talk about, man. Yeah, man. But definitely a clean shoe, man. I like this shoe a lot, man. Definitely like this shoe a lot, man. It's really, really clean, man. Really, really clean, man. If you don't like it, let me know, man. Oh, as you can see, I got that P4YT merch on. We got the black hat with the white letters. P4YT, that's the OG hat. And as you can see, we got the newly designed black tee with the sky blue with the red around it for the Travis Scott 4s, man. So if you guys like what you see, and if you want to see any other product that we have, you can follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you guys want to reach us for any business inquiries, you can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. I got a little confused, man, but you guys know what it is. We keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.